Welcome back to day 12 of Project Chief. Today, we're gonna be sheathing, which is the green zip board you're gonna be seeing us put up. We're gonna start on the most difficult wall, which is what wall? The double wall.
Quadruple window wall.
That very complicated wall. Has a lot of weird cuts, but it could be worse. It could be raining.
And it's not.
So, enjoy watching us work in this cool jazz music.
And even if you don't enjoy it, keep watching.
Because we're gonna keep on sheathing and checking in.
And liking and subscribing.
That's gonna happen at the end, but you can do it right now too. Enjoy. So, our sheathing is done on our window side of the wall. Now let's kind of walk through a little bit of what we're doing with our sheathing and why it kind of looks the way it does, because it won't look like how you see it done on pretty much most houses being built in your area, because most houses are spec houses. So, here's the cool features. First up, we're going to talk here about the soffit area, which is going to be underneath our eaves right here. As you can tell, we have zip running up, over, and across on our soffits. So what we're going to do actually is be zip taping all of these seams here, there, of course the ones where they meet up there in the middle. And so our water vapor barrier is going to be running all the way up across our soffit. It's gonna run up the side and actually gonna tie into our roof we're gonna be putting on soon for our zip sheeting up there. So it's gonna be a fully encapsulated ceiling space. And since there's no vented attic or vented cavity up there, we are gonna have it fully insulated. And that's the only reason we can have it unvented, is because it's part of the conditioned space. And then we can come down here and we can check out our super huge, as in deep, windowsills. Look at these things. So let's measure off and see just how deep are these guys. These are almost a 12-inch thick wall. And what that is for, of course, if you remember correctly here from our previous bit, we have this nice concrete jut out that we had to cover up. And the benefit is, down below, we got our insulation already in. If we pull this back, we can see that we have a big gap from our exterior wall to our interior wall right there, which is all filled with our rock wool insulation, which our rock wool insulation here I think is a R17. So you also can think that a 2x4 is a R1 per inch, so a 2x4 is 3.5 R. So you do our math here we have a 3.5 R value, a R17, and another 3.5 for our exterior wall, which math gives us 3.5, 7, 24. An R24 wall assembly in our least efficient part, which should be right here, where we have all the solid studs together. And here's our zip going on our short wall here. We have our sheathing coming in and running in right behind all these original deck joists that go all the way across. And we'll be coming back in later on and sealing up all along the bottom and all of our seams. And also we'll be putting another piece of zip, a little skinny piece, right across here. And then sealing up there too. So we have a continuous air and vapor barrier on this side as well. Hi, Andy.
Hi, John.
Andy's happy right now.
I'm so happy.
That was
has gone well. Everything has been very smooth. And,
sarcasm.
we've gotten a lot done.
We have gotten a lot done at least.
You guys may have gotten a lot done. I feel like everything I've done has taken like 4 or 5 not very easy steps.
We give Andy the hard jobs.
No, you don't.
He just doesn't appreciate the hard work he's doing. Leave in the comments section how much you appreciate Andy.
I don't even want to be on film right now. Day 12, we're wrapping up, and we are mostly sheathed in.
All the walls are done, our short ones, our big one, and a little bit of the ceiling. I know, you didn't see it, you gotta trust us. Tomorrow we'll show you more about it. But thank you for watching, so do us a favor.
Like,
Subscribe,
share,
ring the bell,
and also comment
your favorite color.
Oh, that's a good one. Your favorite color. My favorite color is... Stay tuned to day 13 to find out.
Ooh. Rapture noises.
Verticals. Get it. Nice. Oh, he went high. Dang.
Yeah, we should
Okay. I smacked my own belly, but you get to get it. Oh,
okay.
Good old belly slap, get a little adrenaline on, baby.
Aha!
I do have a question why you have a large bruise on your hip right now.
I do? Oh my gosh!
Does it
Did you
hurt?
punch me?
No, I didn't punch you. Don't. I didn't punch him, Rachel.